Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a short little swatch video to share with you guys. This is UberChic Beauty's new Holo-Day limited edition nail polish collection. It consists of 2 polishes and they are both retailing for $12 each. They are 10 free and cruelty free, but anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is this stunning red holographic polish called HoloBerry. Both of these polishes were such a dream to apply. This red one had so much holo and pigment packed in, it was basically a one coater. I did apply 2 coats for all of my swatches as well as a glossy top coat. So here are 2 coats of HoloBerry with a glossy top coat. And the other half of this duo is called Pining for Hue, which is such a cute name for this polish. I'd say this is like a deep emerald green holographic polish. Again, it was so easy to apply. There was so much holo in this, it's basically a one coater again. But I did apply 2 for my swatches as well as a glossy top coat. So here are 2 coats of Pining for Hue with a glossy top coat. So here's one more look at the 2 polishes from UberChic Beauty's Holo-Days collection. These are available now on the UberChic website, which I'll leave linked down below, and let me know which one is your fave in the comments down below as well. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, but anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!